Hello guys, I hope this is a well-known geometry for you from the last videos, and today we will start with the drawing. Drawing is most difficult thing in iLogic. I think it's absolutely most complex and most difficult thing what you can do with the iLogic. How I do drawings. Today we will just create most simple drawing which you can do, and that's something like that. Simple preview and the projections of the geometry. You can also probably use the part list. And we can put there some text with our estimated cost, which we have inside the drawing properties, the standard I properties. Yep, that's it. And there is a cost, estimated cost, that's it. And I will increase the size of this text to 7.5. That's it. So this is some drawing of our assembly. Second thing, what we will do is a new sheet, and I put there just the part, the base, and there I will select our length geometry. Take this. Oh, that's a little bit tricky. And also put there our part. Good, that's good. Maybe we can make it a little bit smaller because it's just the preview. And also make it a little bit smaller there. So we have there two sheets. This one can be a little bit smaller. It can be maybe the A4. Oh, those are too much. Good. And we can put there the dimensions. This part is really boring and needs to be done. Let me speed it up. We got it. We have there two sheets. One is about the assembly with the estimated cost and the part list, and the second one is only about our part. That is what I do in the iLogic. This layout is most common for me. I really like it because it's you can handle it really simply with the iLogic rules. Now don't forget to save it. So top AC, yes, save. Yes to all, and hit the OK. In the iLogic, there are several problems which you can face. If I will open up our menu and I will move with the slider and hit the done button, maybe like that. Oh, okay, and I will open our drawing. You can see there are multiple issues. First thing is our geometry is overlapping the other one because it's too large. That's the first thing, first problem. The geometry is too large and it overlaps each other. Second problem is about the dimensions. You can see this dimension is not centered. It's pushed to one side, is best. And it's in all drawings which you can have there. One thing is good, the estimated costs update immediately and all things are okay. So in the next videos, I will show you how you can handle these problems, overlapping and decentering the dimensions. So stay tuned and look at the next video. Bye.